In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel order on TikTok Shop. If you placed an order by mistake or changed your mind, canceling it in the app is quick and straightforward. First, open your TikTok account. Make sure you're signed into the account you used to place the order so you see the correct purchase history. From the home screen, head to your profile. You'll find the profile icon at the bottom right of the app. Tap it to open your profile page. At the top of your profile, look for the three horizontal lines. This is the menu icon. Tap those lines to open the account menu. In this menu, select your orders. This section keeps everything organized by status, so it's the best place to manage purchases. Once you're in your orders, you'll see an overview of recent activity. Tap View. All to open your full order list. This shows every order tied to your account, making it easier to locate the one you want to cancel. Find the specific order, then look for the cancel order option on that order's page. If the option appears, go ahead and tap it. The app will ask why you want to cancel. This helps keep the marketplace running smoothly. Choose the reason that best fits your situation from the provided list, then tap Submit. After submitting, you should see a confirmation message, and the order status will update to reflect the cancellation. Keep an eye on this page for updates, as changes can take a moment to appear. A few helpful tips. The Cancel Order button is only available for a limited time, usually before the seller ships the item. If you don't see the option, it likely means the order is already being processed or shipped and can't be cancelled. In that case, you'll need to follow whatever post-purchase options are available within your orders once the package arrives. Also, refunds for cancelled orders typically return to your original payment method. Processing times can vary by bank or provider, so allow a few business days. If the app layout looks slightly different, don't worry, stick to the same flow. Profile, the three-line menu, your orders, view all, then cancel order on the specific purchase. Finally, double-check that you're viewing the correct order and account, and watch for confirmation notifications so you know the cancellation went through. That's it. Open TikTok, go to Profile, use the three-line menu, tap your orders, view all, select your order, choose Cancel Order, pick a reason, and submit.